problem yako naiwe shamari. It's whereby you see everything wrong. Most of the things that we mentioned here are in politics, but unfortunately, it may be much brainwash. You don't have to say because that's the level of brainwash. That's the biggest mistake. If you in ZANU PF were able to raise your voice with no about this kuda izvo zvakati about kuda zvakati no izvo zviri wrong gadzirisa nyika inodai iri kure sterek by far. Zimbabwe would be far by now, but you praise worship everything wrong that you see with your own eyes, because life is not about keeping it in power. Life is about improving life. If it means creating jobs, visa corruption, freedom of speech. There's no freedom of speech in Zimbabwe. The only freedom of speech that you have, is when you mock opposition members. It ends there. It starts and ends there. Why? Because what? You're protecting vanhu vari mupower and they like it. Vacho vari mupower. But nongedza chinhu chakashata chavari kuita. You're afraid. Saka una freedom of speech. You're just lying to yourself. A lot of people don't know that oppression is going to affect munhu wese. Right now, if you see mwana ED achita corruption, and doing something evil, you can't even report. In some countries, unotomhanya utonoreport, otopowa mari kunzi waripota corruption yakadaro. Mwana waZuma ari president, mwana aitoenda kukoti. Iye Zuma wacho akatomboendeswa kukoti. Koti yaZuma yakatanga ari president. Can you imagine? Ndo inonzi freedom munyika. Kwete izvi zvokuti hanzi you wake up and start mocking opposition members or people who don't like ZANU-PF, then you think, no, I am freedom, handitori chibaba, handiri comrade. That's where you get everything wrong as ZANU-PF. Because whatever that is happening, people are telling you China is right. You go all out in defend. Chinese are banned. Zambia vakadzikirirwa memanja. Chinese have never developed a country. You can do your research. Chinese will only come to a country when they know they are benefiting more. Do you know what the Chinese do? They bring their own engineers. They bring their own qualified people. One of China. Then one of primary is queried and you see. Vashandi team chapatara vashandi vedu vachazoshanda ikoko imi vanozongononga maassistant ndi vanononga mzimba. That kind of combination haishandi. Iko zvino mune machina akabuda mutv kuzimbabwe ZTV and ZBC vaitovhairati honai machina akabva kuchina kuzochengeta huku kunoko. So blind. Tanoti hausi kuchengeta huku kuvhara ka huku ndedzekuvhara. Those guys are mining PGMs, anonzi precious group of metals. Most of them, it's not gold, it's not diamond, it's not what you call a platinum. No. Imuri bees, murufunga wati no kana mnasinga maini platinum apana zvari kuita. These precious group of metals, their mind crushed. Izo tunoenda turi tuma 5 kg to hupfuso. Tuno refine wa China. And then you guys vanongodza kuti no tikutora masample. And when we tell you these things, some of us we are into engineering. When we tell you these things saying China, propaganda, this and that, we see these things, we know these things. They will spend 5 years to explore. But because on the surface, not very far. So they don't need to dig like deep holes or what, and when the machine are very advanced, they are banned like hell, You see, you see, but